Hello guys, so you want to know which is the best AI model to use with make.com or in general for your life? I'll tell you, it's Sonnet, hands down Sonnet 3.5. I'll show you exactly what I'm trying to do here and why it's the best still. So I'm basically trying to give a prompt where I'm taking a video and I'm trying to turn it into, let me turn off this red light. Oh, there you go. Actually, it looks good. Let's have it on. Okay, so what do we want to do here? What I want to do is get a personal blog, like it's coming from me, and I wanted to give the best possible answer. Now I tried Llama, Gemini Flash 2, and 4.0, DeepSeek, and I'm gonna show you what the differences are, okay? So here we go. I'm sharing my screen now, and here we were doing the Gemini Flash 2, the thinking one, and it's saying, stop thinking time. Just to give you a bit of background here, we are looking at this video, which is right here. In this video, basically, it's a testimonial video because I see that you're a hardworking guy. So yeah, in this video, basically, I'm showing him, or we're talking about what projects we did and how it turned out, and he's telling me he'll give me a good review on Upwork. And basically, I don't know what blog post I would have written by that, but I'm feeding in the transcript from my YouTube sheet here, and then I wanted to take this transcript, this one, and then turn it into something of a blog post, something good. So let me show you. This is the Gemini Flash. It's basically in the third person. Benefit, save hours every week, etc. If you're like me, you're probably wasting time. So if you're like me, you're probably wasting time, but I was doing this for a client, so already the perspective is getting shifted. And in the prompt, I'm telling it this. I'm telling it use words only provided in the transcript unless they're crucial for keywords, and keep it as casual as possible, as Adrian writing to help the world, no third person views. Okay, so then I'm telling it like what to do, how to have the closing, hooks, and a bunch of other things. So it's the same prompt, I'm just changing the model here. Okay, so Gemini Flash, I'll give it, let's just put something here. Let's make a new sheet just for fun. We're gonna put Flash 2.0. I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 5. The thinking model, thinking. So actually the Flash 2.0 was better. Flash 2.0. So this one, the free one, let's run this again. This one actually was way better. The last time I checked it. Basically, I wanted to talk as if it's Adrian talking, right? So, okay, my was already using Google Sheets with checklists, but blah, blah. That's nice. Okay. This is good. I like this. So, Flash, not the thinking model, but the normal one, Flash 2.0. I'm gonna give it a 4, honestly. And only 4 because, let's see. Automate your Google Sheets. Title gets, let's just give it title, body. We're just gonna give scores here, yeah? So I think the title here was a 4, the body is a 4. A 4. Here, 3. Okay, so let's do this together, guys. I didn't think I'm gonna do it in a spreadsheet, but why not? Let's compare. So why do I like the body? Because dashboard magic, upward success, first review, yeah. Here, yeah, basically that's what he was saying. Clear communication, collaborative approach, proactive problem solving. Here, if it also had I made videos because that's something that he actually talked about and he really liked. If it mentioned that, that would be definitely a 5 out of 5. I'm just gonna give it a 4 out of 4. And then dashboard for task tracking, yeah, that's pretty accurate. This is good. This is almost like a quote. He likes people that jump in. So great. Okay, so let's do another model. Let's do 4.0. 4.0. ChatGPT 4.0. Let's do it. And by the way, these are the costs right here. So as you saw, Gemini Flash was free. So I think it's a great goddamn value for the money, man. This is honestly amazing value for the money. Price, we're gonna add that because it's important. It's a 5 out of 5 because it's free. So yeah. All right, let's see this one. What do we have here? So 4.0. Yeah, this title, like, it's not mentioning Google Sheets and it's not mentioning my Upwork review. So I don't like it. So I'm gonna give 4.0 GPT 4.0. We're gonna give it a 2 out of 5 title. I mean, it's too general. Like, no one's gonna be interested to look at this. It has to have something personal or something cool. The body. I like this. I like a quote. I had creative freedom. I like that. That's a good body, to be honest. This one was made up. He didn't say not worth my time. I said that. So actually that's hard to know because the transcript that I'm feeding in is not saying Dale, Adrian, Dale, Adrian. So that's kind of, so the AI has to actually figure out who said what. That is crazy. That makes sense. So since the other models don't know that, they are, yeah, they don't know who is saying what. So the fact that this is getting it quite right, that's pretty good. It's pretty good. So let's see. We're gonna put here GPT 4.0 body, definitely a good 4. And the price, let's see. We're gonna refresh. It's 0.5. Let's just put like this so it's clear. 0.05. It's 0, 0. So I guess the less the better, right? Okay. Let's see. What else do we have? So I like this. Not too bad. Not too good. Let's say Chat GPT. Well, that's the only model. 4.0 mini, 4.0 extended. All right, let's go with DeepSeek because it has so much hype. So let's do the free one. Just see how long it takes for the answer to DeepSeek R1, or is it V3 that we selected? So the price is free, so that's going to be 0. And it's taking a long time to generate, as you can see, way slower than, maybe they have a lot of traffic because people are like so hyped, everyone's using it. I mean, they did a great thing. They basically got all of the AI companies to reduce their prices and they're making the competition faster. So it's good for the consumers. But I feel bad for the founders because, you know, they work on such a life-changing thing and they're basically being crushed by competitors and they cannot make money now. Not as easily. So, okay, let's see. but I'm sure the winner is gonna have a huge cake. So you guys can see, okay, I'm gonna pause the video now. As you can see, it's taking a long time. So guys, it's been almost like 2 minutes and it's still running. This is insane. So I just added a speed column here. We're gonna freeze this row, and for speed I'm gonna give DeepSeek R1 a 0. So that's just bad. It's gonna be dollars. Okay, and it failed. In the end, it didn't generate a review. So I'm just gonna give it 0, man. I don't like R1. And let's do another one. This is R1 or V3. So it's the R1 free. Let's do another test just so we're fair. Let's do the R1 not free, I guess. So let's see. So here we're going with the R1, the normal one, not the free one. So I guess it's hosted by someone else. Okay, finally after 2 minutes, the R1, this version, actually got completed. It took a long time, so we give it a second chance. The speed is gonna be really, yeah, I think it's a 1 out of 5. And then how we saved 10 hours weekly without code. I mean, I don't know where it took that from, so that's gonna be a 1 out of 5 because it's actually with code, so that would be very misleading. I mean, he didn't code, sure, so I did the app script, so let's see how it goes. I was drowning, so that's in a quote sign, I guess, so it's okay. Auto flags overdue tasks. One click report generation. I don't know about that. We never talked about that. Reusable templates, sure. No one said ever that. That is like completely made up. This is actually good. Document everything. Loom videos. That's something we did mention. I like this. So, okay, in general, I would say 3 out of, like, body is okay. It's not a 4. It's a 3. So let's do the DeepSeek V3 just for fun. V3 or V2.5 if we can find. Let's see if this is better. Oh, that was fast. But it failed. Okay, so DeepSeek 2.5 is not working. Let's do V3. Kind of buggy. I don't know why DeepSeek is buggy with the open router. Maybe that's just how it works. But yeah, guys, I hope you're enjoying this video. I'm gonna do more comparisons like this in the future because I'm using this actually to take my YouTube videos, transcripts, and then turn them into blog posts on my website. So I think it's very useful for this task and many other tasks. And so far in everything that I've done, Sonnet has been the winner for me. I don't know if I said that in the beginning of the video. If I haven't, I will post it in there. So let's see. Gonna pause the video for the V3. Let's see, now we're generating a result. The speed is still, this is V3. So at least it's not failing, but the speed is a 1. Really, it's so slow. A client success story. That's not too bad. I'm gonna give it a 3. Let's see.
The challenge: manual checklists and missed reminders. The client had been using spreadsheets manually to track tasks, but with 50+ sheets and no reminders, important items were slipping through the cracks. The goal: build a system that automates task reminders, integrates seamlessly with existing workflows, saves time for higher value work. # the solution: a collaborative approach. Instead of just delivering a function, we work together to craft a sophisticated yet practical solution. Key features we built: a dashboard for clear task visibility, automate.
Yeah, that sounds good in general. Iterate quickly. unexpected features. Yeah, that's pretty good.
1. Start small, but think big. Build a foundation that can grow. 2. Collaboration beats perfection. Jump in, test, and refine. 3. Automation isn't just about efficiency. It's about freeing up mental space. # FAQ? Q. Why not just build it yourself? A. As the client put it, it's not worth your time. I want to use my time elsewhere and work with skillful people. Q. What made this project successful? A. Proactive communication.
So the body is not like amazing. I will give it a 3. So DeepSeek at best is an okay LLM in my opinion. All right, so let's do Phi 4. Phi 4. This one is pretty okay, I think. So let's test it. And how fast is it gonna be? Let's see. So I should probably be running a timer. It's pretty okay, I guess. I should have been done this from the beginning. That's why you need to just start, yeah? So timer, we're gonna have a stopwatch from next time. Okay. So let's put this here like that. And then we're gonna remove these two. Okay, so let's do it like this. So the time was 5, trust me guys, and it's not slow. Let's see, a journey with Adrian, not too bad, it's a 3. Oh, that's too long.
In the world of business and personal productivity, automation is a game changer. It saves time, reduces errors, and allows you to focus on more strategic tasks.
This journey with Adrian is not coming from Adrian. That's a problem, man. That's a problem. That's already not going to be higher than 3. It can be lower, but not higher. Because I'm telling it in the prompt, keep it as casual as possible, as Adrian writing to help the world, right? No big words. And then we're telling it to basically limit paragraphs to 2-3 sentences max. This is basically ignoring that. This is ignoring that. So I'm not going to give it a higher than 3. Proactive. Refine. Okay. I'm not too happy with this, to be honest. This just sounds like so wordy. Leveraging deep technical knowledge to create a functional and efficient tool. I don't like this. This one, honestly, just the language is so off. I don't like it at all. The cost is good, so there you go. It's very low. Keep in mind, we're giving the same prompts and same everything to all of these models. So it is okay. Wow, DeepSeek is not super cheap. This V3. Wait, it charged me? V2 it charged me, but it never got anything. Wow. Okay, it's okay. DeepSeek R1. That's actually expensive. What the hell? 0.01? Well, anyways, this is not the DeepSeek infrastructure provider. It's like deep infra. So it's, as you see, some of them are actually provided by the builder, which is OpenAI or Anthropic, but sometimes these are hosted by these other middleman companies. So what is deep infra? DeepSeek. I'm guessing it's an American company. It's not going to be DeepSeek itself. So it's also a generate model provider. All right, all good. So let's do the next one. We're gonna do Haiku. I like Haiku. I think it's very useful for many tasks, but let's check it here. Haiku. So yeah, if you guys want, I can do another complete different video and actually show the timer when I'm running it. So let's see here. We're gonna put the haiku here. Everything is good. We're gonna start and run. Let's see. I'm gonna pause the video since you can see now. Okay, so it just got ready at 13 seconds, so we're gonna put 13 seconds in seconds. So it's pretty fast. And let's see. I don't like the title too much. It's gonna get a 3 from me. Ever felt stuck? Okay, this is not good. This is not looking good. This is not talking about the client. This is not talking about Upwork. Super general, like super, like I don't like this. This is gonna get a 2. Sorry. Just not good. Just not good. I'm gonna just put some placeholders for these ones because yeah, this is like 60 seconds definitely. So it's really bad. And this one's gonna be probably 20. So anyways, haiku, man, not good at all. And it's gonna cost that much. So let's just apply this to everything. Alrighty, so let's go to the next one. We're gonna run Sonnet. Self-moderated. So we're gonna run the timer. Let's go. Pause the video. Up. So I see that I messed up the timer. The first lap was 13 seconds, so we're just gonna take 13 minus that, so we just say 15 seconds. I should have just reset it. Okay, so let's look at the answer. Ooh, I love this. First person. So already I can see how I built my first Upwork project, a developer's journey. That's definitely the best out of all because it's talking my language. It is an Upwork project. I took a build to iterate approach. I love this. I love this. It's from the first person and it's true. Yeah. And then let's see. Communication clear and upload. Create tutorial videos. Let's fucking go. That's something that has been missing in many of the models, right? Because the client loved it. So let's see what we see. Space to suggest, trust to expand, freedom to implement my solutions. That's very true. Don't ask endless. Oh, document your work with video. This is beautiful, man. This is beautiful. I would read this. I would read this because these are the things that I took away myself from that project. So this is gonna get a 5 out of 5. The title was just the best out of the other ones. Making the client's life easier. Oh wow, this Sonnet is just blowing everything out of the water. Okay, and the cost is 0.03. So it is the most expensive right now out of all of these. Right? Well, not ChatGPT. ChatGPT 4.0 was 0.05. All right, what else are we gonna test? Let's see. So let's test Llama. Llama 4.0, right? Oh, or 3.3. Llama. So there's no 3.3, there's no 3.4, sorry. Meta instruct. Okay, let's run this. Oh, never mind. So let's run the timer first. Start. There you go. Let's see. Gonna pause the video maybe and then come back. Just finished. 17 seconds, not too bad. Llama 3.3. We're gonna look at the cost first. The cost is 0.01, pretty okay. Really cheap, to be honest. Let's see the results. That title is not gonna get a good one. Let's just say 3. I recently had the pleasure of working with a client, blah blah. Too long text, to be honest. These are big blocks of text I don't like. Concise communication. I don't see any video communication right now. Being honest, being blah blah blah. Just too much words, man. Humility. Be proactive. I don't like these words. I don't like these words. So okay. Yeah, that body is gonna get a 3 out of 3. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the full list now of the ones we tested. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're gonna test another one. Okay, so I forgot that we hadn't done Grok 2.0. So let's do Grok. Let's reset, start, and go. Let's see. I like that they are uncensoring it and making it open. Elon Musk is really pushing everything forward. I want to be more effective. Oh, there you go. So it's pretty quick, 11 seconds. Let's look at the title together. The title is nothing specific. It's kind of a 3. Let's put that 3. I like this. It is saying that it's Adrian. A little bit long. Not mentioning Upwork. Not mentioning the video. Yeah, video. That's not gonna get more than a 4. Embrace feedback. Keep back in time. Building close. It's okay. It's not a 5. Yeah. Alright, guys. I see that this is gonna be a 4. It's just not much better than a 4. Power of automation, the results, you know, it's just too big words, but the cost is free, as you can see here. Oh, never mind, because it's not free. It's actually quite expensive in this specific one. And as you can see, our winner is clearly Sonnet. So we're gonna give it a green. And if we're choosing the next one, I would actually give it to the B tier. Would probably, for me, so if Sonnet is like really good, then I'll give the next one to Flash 2.0. And then after that, I'll give it to, I can make an algorithm to calculate all this stuff, but it's good enough for now. Then after that, we can give it to maybe Haiku, or in this case, maybe Grok. But that's the thing, like after some point, I just don't like these. I wouldn't recommend these. So yeah, like Flash 2.0 is doing better than the paid 4.0 and Grok. Like it's not even a competition for me in this use case. Yeah. So yeah, Sonnet 4.0. I showed you guys how to do the testing for yourself a little bit. I guess we built it as we went forward, and I hope this is useful. Click that subscribe button. See you in the next video. And yeah, if you need something built for you, automations or more tests done, just reach out to me. Have a good day. See you next time. Bye.